Hello, my name is Hameed. Today I'm working on a Miele fridge. The customer's complaint is one side of the LED lights are working inside, the other side is not working. And today I will show you how to find the problem and fix it. I will go through some basic procedure, basic testing points here, and then I'll find out the problem and fix it for you. The model number is KF 2982 VI. So this is the way the unit looks. The model and serial number on a Miele fridge is located right here. When you open the door, this is your model number. In order to order any part, you need a model and serial number on this unit. As you can see, the LED light on this side is good. Everything seems okay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're not working. The first thing we are going to check is we have to check our reed switches. They call it door switch or reed switch. On old-fashioned fridges, they call it door switch because it was a mechanical switch that had to get pressed in and then or pushed in with a door that would cause the lights to come on and off. But in this unit, it's more modern unit, and they have reed switches instead of door switches. It does the same thing. So the reed switches are located right here. It's invisible, you cannot see this at the back of this panel. There's one reed switch here, and there's magnet on the door. There's also magnet on this door. So when you close the door, it hits that reed switch. There's a magnet, the reed switch is there, so it kind of communicates with the magnet that the door is closed, and then the light would go off. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to check to make sure our reed switch is okay and our magnets are not missing here. If the magnet is missing, the light would never go off, or they may not work properly, or they may stay on, or they may not stay on, or they may just stay completely dead. So the first thing we're going to do is to confirm the reed switches are good or not, we're going to close the door only on one side, and we need a magnet. So we need a magnet. I have a strong magnet here. This is one of my tools that has a strong magnet here, and we're gonna ignore those magnets for now. We're gonna keep the door open and check to see if the reed switches are working. So you're gonna hold the magnet, and of course when you get closer to the reed switch area, you also have to keep eye on these lights to make sure they're going off. So I'm gonna hit this spot. See, the light went off, and the same thing when I remove the magnet from the reed switch area, it's right here. See, it's right in here. Look at my hand and the light inside of the fridge when I remove this. See, the light came off. So that means that the reed switch on this side is good. So now we're going to do the same thing. Open this side now, and we're going to close the left hand side and do the same thing here. So hold your magnet at the center right here. If you don't hit it in the right spot, it may not work. So just there and hold it. See, light comes on, light goes off. And of course we want to make sure that the magnets are good. See, magnet is good. There's no magnet here. This is the main spot here. And of course I'm gonna close the door back again and check the magnet on this side, because sometimes it's possible that the magnet may fall down. See, there's a magnet here. There's a magnet. So if the magnets are good, the reed switches are good, for a fridge it's almost impossible for all the LED lights to die at the same time. Like if one LED dies slowly, and then the other dies, and then slowly the other dies. But in our case here, all the LED light quit at the same time on the left hand side, and the right hand side is okay. So because these LED lights are in series with the rest of the lights, which is located right here at the bottom of this crisper, underneath there's also LED lights which is looking like this. Part number for this, and the part is 11078360. So we are going to replace the LED lights inside here and see if it's going to start working or not. On these fridges, it's very common that the strip piece of LED light in here dies, and then because they're in series, these lights are in series with this LED light, because of that one side quits working. So before we do that, we are going to remove these shelves and some of the food from here, and then we can work on it. I'm going to show you quickly how to remove this and then this one, and then after that we can replace the LED lights. So if you lean down at the bottom here, you see this plastic tab, you can press on it. You press on it, and at the same time you have to pull this out. And then the same thing here. And then it just comes out. To remove this shelf, the lower shelf is the same trick. You pull it out all the way, and then from the back, kind of push it a little bit up. So kind of go like that. See, there's a small plastic. Lift it up like this. The same thing. You have to push the shelf forward first and then lift it up. So you push the shelf forward to the back and then lift it up and then pull it out. The next part we are going to do is we have to use a Torx number 10 and remove this screw. And then you kind of have to push it back. It has a lip. See, it falls down. So it's inside here. We're going to use a flat screwdriver to pry this up. So you have to kind of stick it from here and it falls down. Make sure to turn off the power to the fridge, and then you can pull the LED light out. You have to use your screwdriver, and here on this side, kind of pry it up. Oh, it has two plastic tabs here. This one and this one. So you kind of have to push it up. See, this plastic you have to push up, and then with other screw you have to pull the LED light out. Or what you can do is hold it like that, or that slowly. You have to use your nail. See, it just came out. Remember the position and the way you're pulling it out. You're going to install the new one exact way. So here's the new one. Remember, the negative is on your right hand side. So you have to kind of flip it negative and insert it. So this has to get inserted right here. Kind of hold it up. It's a little bit tricky, but you can do this. So from here, kind of work on it slowly. There's two black tabs in here. You have to insert it on top of that, and then at the same time you have to kind of put a little bit pressure on it and then push it. There, like that. Keep pushing it. It's good to go. And you can turn it on from here. See what happens. There you go. The lights are on. So the unit is fixed now. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hameed Appliances Repair, and on TikTok, Hameed Appliances Repair. Thank you.